Hi, welcome to Arty Crafty Alchemy. Today I am sharing with you Kaisercraft haul. I think it was from either the end of June or the start of July. I'm the Arty Crafty Alchemist. Let's get started. Mostly I did this order to get one collection, but we will get there. Firstly, I got these oriental bird cages. I thought I could do some up for the craft cottage. They were still on sale for $2, so I grabbed 5 of them. My freebies this month were from With Love, and they look absolutely gorgeous. I'm so sick of getting cards. I buy all the stuff 6x6 and 12x12 and everything, and you would think they would realise you're making your own cards, but no, they give you cards. 35 or more pieces in this one, and they are all beautifully foiled with gold. Thank you, another square thank you, celebrate, happy birthday, thinking of you, get well soon, flower, another flower, small flower cluster, another small flower cluster, a couple of flowers that could be cut apart and used separately, another small flower cluster, a flower, thanks for everything you do, butterflies, another flower with leaves, thinking of you, flower with leaves, happy birthday for someone special, wishing you all the best, life is better with you, you fill my life with happiness, some more butterflies, sending you lots of love, congratulations on your special day, thankful, may your day be as wonderful as you are, happy birthday, thankful for you, best wishes, the foiling is harder to see on the black and grey spots, happy birthday to you in a square that time, butterflies, best wishes on this day, and a string of butterflies was the beautiful With Love collectibles. I don't actually have anything else that goes with that yet. I got a bunch of single papers and I didn't actually realise how many I'd bought until I'd done the order, and I was like, oops, I didn't mean to buy that many, but we will have a quick look through. I've got this piece with the dogs. No one on earth will love you more, be more patient, or keep your secrets better than your dog. Dogs invented unconditional love. This home is filled with wet noses, wagging tails, and love. And on the back of that one is spots. And that is the Perfect Collection Rough. The smallest feline is a masterpiece, and you've got the cat heads. And then on the front you have the cat cut-aparts, and this one is called Purr. Life is better with cats. Time spent with cats is never wasted. Then this one has fish bones and paw prints. And this one is Kitty, and we have the kitty with the zigzags and the paw prints. This one is a gingham with bones at the bottom, and it is called Puppy, and we have the little puppies in the teacup in the corner and the bones. Then this one is wood grain with the paws at the bottom, and is Perfect Collection Dogs. I mostly got the dog ones because I don't have any of the dog ones. Thought that would be good to make some things for dog lovers. And we have all the puppies. And then I got the Scrap Studio cut-aparts. Frayed. No one ever made a difference by being like everyone else. Live bright, be bold, and sparkle. And then on the back you just have this distressed background with the bird, but I mostly bought it for the cut-aparts. And then I got the borders. I think there was only one sheet of this left because I think I tried to get 2. Birds, believe in your dreams, they were given to you for a reason. And then on the front is the brick wall with floral down the side, and that one's called Splatter. I don't think I meant to buy 4 of these. This is Possum, and it has the ugly zigzags on the back. I don't like that colour. Mischievous, perfect, loving, perfect, cuddly, energetic, forever, affectionate family, Possum, faithful, love, friend, precious, companion, and lots of words. Then this is our wood grain, and on the other side is Starry Night from the Stargazer collection. I didn't actually buy the Stargazer collection. I've just bought the pieces that I thought I would use to go with my other celestial type designs. Then this side has the stars. Shine like the stars, dream on dream, stay wild moonchild, you are magic, love you to the moon and back. And then on the other side, this one is called Milky Way, and I really don't like that. I think I got it for that as a layering piece. Then I got the cut-aparts, we've got border strips, live for the moments you can't put into words, I love you to the moon and back, be your own kind of beautiful, be brave, be kind, be curious, no one is you and that's your superpower, a life filled with magic, I look over at you and see sunshine, shoot for the moon, darling. You are my sun, my moon, and all of my stars. So lots of useful things on there. And on the back, we just have this blue and black pattern called Astronomy. I got it from the cut-aparts. Then we have this grey cloudy piece with stars at the bottom, and it is called Constellation, and I got it for that side because I absolutely love that side. I looked really hard at all these pieces to work out the ones that I really wanted. Now, the next one I got 4 of. So on the back, we have this design that I'm not super fussed on, but may end up needing it for something. And the stars at the bottom, like circular tiles. But on the front, we have this gorgeous dark blue flower, and it is called Orbit. Then most of the ones of these that I wanted sold out before I could get them. This one says Happy Father's Day, and it's a brick wall at the bottom. I got it for this side, which is all the invention and blueprint type things. It's Factory 42 plans. And I got this one. This is A Father's Love is Reflected in the Eyes of His Children, and it is Factory 42 Pipeworks. I don't think I meant to buy 4 of this piece of paper. I'm pretty sure I meant to take some of this out. We have fur on this side and a kitty border, and the kitty cat's on that side, the Paw Fits cat. And then it is the little moments that make life big, and on the other side it is pen and ink and etchings. And I really love the pen and ink collection, and I didn't think having more butterflies would hurt. They are the single papers. And I got my hands on Scrap Studio. I have paper pad and collectibles for this. This is the Scrap Studio Expression. So we have this beautiful collage. And then on the back we have this paint type page with the border: love, value, inspire, always cherish moments, forever remember, and then it starts again. The next one is another collage page called Authentic. And on the back of that is spots and a butterfly border. I feel like I've seen that butterfly border before. Then we have Worn, which is distressed. There's spots with newsprint in it, and it looks like fabric and paint and all sorts of things on there. And then on the back we have half music and half definitions. Enjoy the little things, for one day you will look back and they will be the big things. This one is peeled paint, and it's called Torn. And on the back is grid and music. We've got a little doily and a paint swipe. This one is called Gritty, but I'm all about the back page, and I did try and get extra of these, but they were sold out before I could get them. And that is the floral, and then it has the tape measure at the bottom in centimeters for a change. Oh, this one actually came with the cutter parts in it. They don't often. That's good. I've got extra cutter parts to go with everything else that I have. I'm not perfect, I'm original. You are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. You can't use up creativity. The more you use, the more you have. And then on the back of this cutter part is the bird and doily piece. And then we have the sticker sheet. There's a bigger version of the butterflies, which you could cut apart to use individually. Some lace, a big tape measure, music. The world is the canvas to your imagination. Be the change you want to see in the world. And then you have treasure, timeless, laugh, remember, together definitions. You are never given a dream without also being given the power to make it come true. Another ruler in centimeters and inches. Little tags, little banners you could stamp on. Film strip, postage stamps. Individual butterflies, flower cluster, and some doilies. Very pretty. I'm glad to be able to add that to my collection. And then I also got the Paradise Found collectibles, because I thought they would go well with some of my other beachy themed collections that don't have collectibles. I don't think I have any of the Paradise Found per se. Got feet, and I don't like how they're joined like that, so I would actually cut them apart. Some beautiful hibiscus. This is a Polaroid frame, but they haven't actually cut all the way around so that you can easily pop this middle section out. So if you wanted to, you'd actually have to cut it a bit more. Be happy. They've done the same with this one, which I find a bit annoying. The corners are usually the hardest bit to get out. Relax and enjoy. A palm tree, leaves, toucan, leaves, enjoy. Not all who wander are lost. Lots of leaves, flowers, relax and enjoy. Some kind of parrot maybe. Not very up on birds, don't worry. Beach happy. Pineapple, a shell, a flower, a leaf, a shell, starfish, cocktail, hibiscus. My leaf got a bit squiffed. A cluster of hibiscus, another small cluster of hibiscus, frangipanis, hibiscus, bird, turtle, flamingo, a larger palm tree, flamingo, aloha, relax, another cocktail, and a large cluster of flowers. That is the Paradise Found, and that has 40 or more designs. For my final things, I got the Rosabella collection, which I've wanted for ages, but I have been sitting on my hands and not buying it. So I think we'll start with the paper pad. I'm confused by the way they word this now. I still think there are 36 sheets in here. It feels as thick as a normal regular pad, but it says 24 papers, so we'll see. Hang on. Okay, so there are still 40 sheets in the paper pad. This BS is confusing because it says 24 papers including 12 specialty finish papers. But you add the 12 and the 24 and the 4 die cut sheets and you get 40 sheets of paper like they've always had. I thought they had downsized their paper pads, which made me a bit they haven't. It's just weirdly what they've put on the front of their packs. Have this gorgeous floral one and I just realized they're not even real flowers. Interesting. They're actually a cluster of fabric flowers. And then the stripe. And then the first of the beautiful spot varnish on this grey tone floral. Then a stressed looking one with some script and flourishes and flowers. Script page. Another spot varnished one, this time black polka dots on the pink. Little flower clusters. Stress type page. Then spot varnish on these flowers. The leaves aren't spot varnished, just the flower portion. Quatrefoil. Flowers on the black, which are really pretty. I really like this too. This is gorgeous. Love these colours. We have some cut aparts. The best and most beautiful things in the world cannot be touched. They have to be felt with the heart. Only love lets us see ordinary things in an extraordinary way. Not what we have in life, but who we have in our life that matters. Cherish yesterday, live today, dream tomorrow. And then we have this green to pink distressed piece. Distressed spots, which are spot varnished. A wallpapery damask type pattern, which is very distressed. Really pretty sketchy flowers. And then another spot varnish page, this time in the damask pattern. And then we are on to the cut aparts. Cherish yesterday, live today, dream tomorrow. You make the world a better place. You are beautiful, one of a kind. Follow your heart. Best wishes. Happy birthday on your special day. Because of you, life is more beautiful. Friends like you make me smile. You are cherished. You are loved. Blessed beyond measure. Thank you and just because. And this time they've changed up the border strips. You've got 2 scalloped, 2 straight, 2 of these wavy down the bottom, and then in the middle they've added some more like this, only smaller versions. Oh, we have some big ones in here. You're too kind, and you can pop the middle out. And with this one, may today be filled with smiles. You fill my heart, love you to pieces, congratulations, just be you. Thanks for being here. You are one of a kind. Celebrate your day. Then some tabs. And so grateful. Thank you. Best wishes. Happy birthday. Time to celebrate. Thinking of you. And then we've got less of these tiny little words down the bottom. Congratulations. Best wishes. Thank you. Just because. Love you. Blessed. Thinking of you. Just for you. Happy birthday. This is the first time I have gotten one of the newly reformatted collections. So it was interesting to see how the die cuts are different. Next we will look at the 12x12. This one is called Roseate with the larger version of the fabric flowers and the stripes at the back and spots on the bottom. Then this is called Somber Botanic, and on the back is the green distress page with some damask and script around the edges. Next is Darling Flush with the itty bitty florals, and on the back is large florals in the corners, some quatrefoil, beautiful, cherish, thankful, encourage and love words. Next is Miss Classic. We've got the flowers in the corner and the distressing, and on the back we have the damask wallpapery type design and this little design on the border. Next is Anastasia, and this is the green to pink distress page, and on the back we have the spots. Beauty is not in the face, beauty is in the heart. This one is called Balletic with the distressed dots, and on the back is the quatrefoil and the stripe down the bottom. I don't like it when they do ABCs on the sticker sheet. That drives me nuts. I hope they're not going back to that for all of the collections because I don't like it. I know we have the sticker books now, but I really don't like that. I don't use alphabets enough to warrant having a full half sheet of it on here. Then we have border strips. Elegance is the only beauty that never fades. Time is measured in minutes. Life is measured in moments. Butterfly moth type border, lace border. There are so many beautiful reasons to be happy. Blessed beyond measure. If you want to cut these, you actually have to cut them yourself. They're not cut in half. Then we have this strip. Memories that make me smile. A clock. Blessed beyond measure. A flower and a little flourishy pattern, and none of these are cut individually. They are all just long strips, which is I find a bit annoying, but anyway. I would have to get another collection to see how I actually felt about it, I think. Next, we will have a look at the sticker book. There are 2 of each page, and there are 6 different pages. Mine has not lined up properly at the sides, so that's fun. There are lots of flowers, hexagons, circles, leaves, lace, and it is the same for that page, not lined up properly. Border strips. Beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. Time is measured in minutes, life is measured in moments. Only love lets us see ordinary things in an extraordinary way. Happy, elegance, grateful moments, special, and you could cut in between them and use them individually. I couldn't imagine life without you by my side, and you can see how squiffed that is. It's very weird. Lots of florals and lace. These ones are all joined together. Boxes. Elegance is the only beauty that never fades. Don't ever doubt you're worth it. One of a kind. Love this life. Be your own kind of beautiful. Blessed beyond measure. Life is better with you in it. And we have lots of circles. Believe in yourself. One of a kind. Clock. Follow your heart. Beautiful. Dream big. Gorgeous. And then some little flags. It's the little things that count. Our friendship will be cherished forever and always. A friend like you is what the heart needs. The best is yet to come. Beautiful. I couldn't imagine life without you by my side. Live in the moment. Best friends. Love. Some florals. Smile. Adore. And one more. We've got these tiny little alphas. Beautiful. Adored. Smile. Cherish. Love this life. Happy day. Beautiful. Let it go. Numbers. Little circles. Love it. Be brave. Tabs. Grateful. Cherished. And some little labels. Beautiful and memories, and 2 blank ones. That is the sticker book, and I got 2 of the collectibles, 40 or more designs. We've got little florals, little circle floral, flower, damask design, leaves, moth, border strip. Elegance is the only beauty that never fades. A ruler, flowers, precious moments, butterfly tag, little floral, another little floral, black and white flowers, which you could probably add colour to. The same with these grey tone ones. You could probably add a hint of colour to them. More flowers, another border strip, leaves. Greatest gift in life is your friendship. Confidence is beautiful. A floral cluster, a little flourish, string of flowers, small floral cluster, a medium floral cluster, a corner floral cluster, individual flower, medium floral cluster, and another medium floral cluster. Butterfly, a little flower with leaves, 2 more butterflies, 2 clocks, reminisce, cherish, leaves. The best things to hold on to in life is each other. Only love lets us see ordinary things in an extraordinary way. One of a kind, heartfelt. Time is measured in minutes, life is measured in moments. That is the collectibles. That is my Kaisercraft order. I hope you enjoyed it. They recently had another 50% off, and I was strong and didn't even look and didn't buy anything this time. Maybe next time, because there are a few new collections out that I actually like, but I usually wait till I can get them 50% off. Let me know what your favourite thing was below. This order was from 30th of June, and they had a 50% off then. And this whole order only came to $70 because everything was 50% off, and of course there was free postage because it was over $60. I hope you enjoyed this look at my Kaisercraft haul. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to see more content like this, and hit the bell notification to know when new videos come out. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye for now.